Guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I will show you how to use Claude Code completely free without GPU or local GPU, free API providers, Cloudflare AI workers, no ollama, even works with low-end system. So focus on coding, not let's just start the video come directly without wasting your time. Now open your browser. Let me find open the browser. Now go to Cloud Code CLI. Here you can install Cloud Code CLI. If you have already installed Cloud Code once Cloud Code, you can skip this step. If you are using PowerShell, you can use this command. In my thing, I'm using CMD. If you are using Mac, PowerShell, CMD, you can use this type of commands. So simply I'm using CMD command right now for this video purpose. I've already installed the Cloud Code. So for the video purpose, I'm reinstalling it. So you can see, open the CMD window. You can search for CMD. I know there is already CMD over there, but still for the video purpose, I'm doing this. Now paste the command by right click and paste. I'll just enter it. And the Cloud Code will get installed. So after installing the Cloud Code, now type Cloud we'll type in different CMD. Open CMD. Yeah, we'll type the cloud here. Enter. Now don't do anything. Don't set up anything. Okay, just exit the window. Now close every browser window and go for Google and search for Kaggle. Yeah, this is a wonderful website which is providing the free computing for us, for the developers, which is good. If you are new to this website, go for the register option. If you are already signed in, just use your old account and go in with sign in option. Play with sign in with Google, and even you can use different sources, but I'm going with sign in with Google. Yeah, see, this is the dashboard. One thing is we have to verify our details to get free GPUs. So you have to verify your email address, phone verification, and identity verification. That is not important. If you want to join any community, that is important, but you can do only email and phone verification. That is enough. These both are enough. Now click on create notebook. Yeah, after getting notebook open, click on settings. Here you have to find these options enabled. If you won't verify your options, it won't get enabled. Means that phone number enabled, and 30 hours of per week you will get free 30 hours of free GPU hours. You can use them. I'm using it for the testing purpose. Still, I have used only 21 hours, still 29 hours left, and see, you can get multi GPU options. Now let's import our notebook which I have created by me. Hit a like button for this things. I have spent a lot of time to create this type of notebooks. There's multi models. See, you can see GLM. Even I have got this Gemma. Everything for you. For the video purpose, I'm using this GLM. I will upload this all the files in the description, so you can test everything according to your requirements. So I have created every notebook for you, and that can be accessed freely in the description. So I'm importing this notebook. So now after importing the notebook, once go to the settings and see these options are selected. Okay. Now close this window. We don't require. Let's press on start, and you'll get a compute option here. Hence, you'll get a wonderful temporary computer and STEM computer, and we can count it as that computing option with the developers. After the session gets started, I will show you what is the advantage of this model. Let it start. Now let the computer, yeah, we got the computer. Once computing thing, see here you can see you have got 30 GB of thing, 30 GB of RAM with 15 GB each. You got two GPUs, 15 GB VRAM with each GPU, and with 30 GB RAM, and ignore that disk space. And you can run the session up to 12 hours continuously. That is the main thing. Yeah, you can run the session 12 hours continuously without any downtime. Now start the first cell, and it will import all the libraries which are required. You don't need to do anything. You have to click the run button and stay silent. That's it. Let the code do all the work for you. I have created this notebooks. So for this hard work, please do subscribe at CI Labs. And you can see when you are getting this rotating option, once the code is running, once that cell is running. So 1 minute. Yeah, now see the code has been run and everything is downloaded and installed. Ollama installed. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll run the second cell. I will start the ollama server and make it compatible to run with this Claude Code. Even I've created code in that way. Now this is the main thing. This cell number 3, which pulls the GLM model, which is 20 GB, 19 GB, I think so. Let's click on this run button. You will see it, and now it is getting downloaded. I will give an output of text with a large thing. Just ignore it. It is downloading 19 GB plus files, so let it load. I will fast forward this video. I will try to make how shortable it is, how short video, how much possible. I'll try to make it that way. So the model has got downloaded, and even internet speed is fast in Kaggle, not like the Schoolab or any another provider. Now it has done. When scroll down to cell 4, I just hold it and scroll down, no problem. Yeah, see, even you can see here model is ready. It has downloaded 19 plus GB files. That is good. Now we'll run this cell 4. It will verify the GPU and it will load the model into GPU memory. So it may take some time, mostly about 3 to 4 minutes. That's it. So you can see here 2 GPUs are available with 15 GB. Now the model will get loaded into the GPU. Here you can find. Let it get loaded. Let's wait for it. For this hard work, we will like for this button, this video, and this like button. Let it is showing in progress. Fast forward to the video. Now it should get loaded. See here you can see it has loaded 10 GB on 1 GB or 10 GB another GB. It has splitted. So this is the advanced setup, which even we can't wait on this local setup. So there's no advance in the local environment. Even we cannot run this model in the local consumer GPUs. Why? Because the local budget consumer GPU comes with only 8 GB of VRAM. See here, your tool is ready, and even I coded in that way. It is Anthropic ready way working directly. So you don't need to do anything. You have to just run the cells, and click the run the cell. You will get the total output of the code. Only, yeah, this cell is to keep alive the notebook. Okay. Now just open this link in the new tab. You should see this ollama is running. Means our API is running. Only what you have to do is copy from this bracket to this bracket. You have to copy the code from this bracket to this bracket and head to 1 minute. Head to the file explorer. 1 minute. Yeah, yeah, file explorer. Now go to your C drive where you use Windows installed in the users folder. In your users folder, then you can find .cloud folder. In that folder, you will find this settings.json. Edit that with the notebook, notepad, anything. Yeah, this is the default thing. Just Control A and remove it everything, and paste your copied code from the notebook, and click Control S to save as, or else file, save. That's it. That's it. And minimize this window. Now open any test folder. 1 minute. Yeah, I will open the test folder. Now here you will press CMD. Once in this folder, it will create the files. So you are already developers who are seeing this video, you know everything. So just type Claude here. Yeah. Now press enter. Press enter. See here you can see it is running on your local, what we say, API. This API is only for you, so there are no, we say, even you can select the effort. At present it is set by default, it is set to low effort. I have created in that way. Even if you want, you can change it by giving this command. For the video purpose, I am keeping it low to make this video fast. So see, yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, now you can see the GPU is low. The GPU is loaded with the model. Now give a hi. The GPU will work and give answers to it. For the first command or prompt, it will take some time. For first 3 to 4 commands, it may take some time. After that, it will provide you wonderful, wonderful speed. See here, it has given a proper prompt. Now we'll give a demo prompt, basic prompt for this video purpose to make this video fast. I've created some demo prompts, so we'll create a basic file. If you want more speed, you can see I've given 1 minute. See, let me check. Yeah, everything is good. So we'll give a basic prompt. Okay. Now click enter. Now see, the GPU is taking the load and it is creating the files too. So that is the reason I've selected this model for this project. If you want, you for the faster replies option for the debugging everything, you can use Gemma. Even uploaded that notebook in the description. You can find every more notebooks models in the description. Yeah, see, it has created the file. Just click on allow all the edits during this session. That is enough. Yeah, let it cook. It's cooking right now. Let it cook. It will give the total what I have created, that type of thing. So it is using 100% of GPUs, and that is very good, and it is splitting the work. That is very amazing. So you are ever getting everything just for free, and In Kaggle, you will get 30 hours of free work hours for every week. They are renewed automatically. So if you even you can borrow your friend's phone number and create one more account, so no problem. See the description what it has created, what it has done. So let us change the file. Uh, let's minimize every window. Even GPU went to 0%. Or minimize everything. The file has been created. The text file. Just double click on it. See, it has created a wonderful file. This is a basic prompt. Even you can give a wonderful prompt to create a. See, if I give the second prompt, it will be wonderful. But no, for the video, it will get long, so I'm ignoring it. You can do it with your setup. For the video purpose, this is enough. We'll make a short video and not a boring video. So this is how you can use, and I will show you how to stop this notebook after your work is done. See, just click on the stop button here. Stop this and okay, everything is done. Now close this box. We don't need the status of the. Now click on this stop button. Now click restart and clear cell outputs. That's it. And it is ready for one more session. After creating everything, one more, and it will give a different Cloudflare URL. You have to just change the go to the settings.json. You have to just change the existing code, or only you can change this what we say Cloudflare URL. That is enough, and you can again use the Claude Code for free. So this is how it works, and thank you for your wonderful time, and do subscribe Axe AI Labs, and you are going to get wonderful API videos and every free videos on this channel. Thank you for watching.